Carrot, date and walnut loaf. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease your loaf pan, then line with baking paper so that the paper hangs over the two long sides. Put chopped dates in a heat-proof bowl, pour over boiling water and add bicarbonate of soda. This helps soften the dates. Set aside for 10 minutes to soak. Add eggs and oil to the date mixture and stir to combine. In another bowl, mix together self-raising flour, brown sugar, grated carrot, chopped walnut, cinnamon and nutmeg. Stir in the date mixture until just combined. Try not to overmix, this can make your cake tough. Transfer the mixture into a loaf pan and smooth the surface. Pop it in the oven and bake for 50 minutes or until cooked through. To test, insert a skewer into the centre. It should come out clean. Put the pan on a wire rack for 10 minutes to cool slightly, then lift the loaf out onto the wire rack to cool completely. For the cream cheese icing, put softened cream cheese and butter in a bowl and use an electric mixer to beat until smooth and creamy. Add icing sugar and beat until well combined. When the loaf is cool, spread cream cheese icing over the top. Decorate with chopped walnuts and dust with cinnamon. Made with sticky dates and crunchy walnuts, this rich carrot loaf makes the perfect tea time treat. For another great recipe to bake in a loaf pan, head to our gluten-free banana and coconut bread video.